If you have a 14 to 18 Chevy Silverado like the one next to me, I'm going to introduce to you guys the Morimoto 4Banger. The 4Banger took the off-road market by storm. Today, I'm going to show you the A-pillar kit for your Chevy Silverado. Let's get it. Our Morimoto 4Banger comes in 3 beam patterns. We have combo, spot, and wide. And they come in 2 separate power levels. We have the Morimoto HXB, which is our highest, most powerful level. And we have the Morimoto NCS, which is our entry-level pod light. Our Morimoto 4Banger A-pillar LED system is the perfect solution for more light aimed exactly where you need it. From long-range spotlights for high-speed driving to ditch lights to illuminate the side of the road, our A-pillar kit is all about versatility. Select a set of high-performance 4Banger LED pods in your choice of beam pattern. Pair that with the brackets to make installation a breeze, and power it properly with our switch wiring harness. Our A-pillar kit is for the 14 to 18 Chevy Silverado that has been through numerous rounds of design, prototyping, and testing directly on the truck to ensure perfect compatibility. Everything lines up with pre-existing mounting points to create an installation that's truly modification-free. Each bracket is laser cut from 304 stainless steel, then powder coated. The white output version is ideal for all-around visibility. For those who desire optimal output in rain, snow, or fog, the yellow output version will slay in shady weather. Morimoto has opted for the phosphor-converted yellow LEDs that produce yellow light at the origin, which is the most effective way to penetrate through the particles in the air without compromising output. With power comes great responsibility. Extensive effort went into ensuring the reliability of the product. High power means high heat, which is why the 4Banger features a copper direct thermal patch, PCP. No sloppy wiring is allowed. Just like the brackets, every element of the 4Banger LED pod light is proprietary. Lucid shape was used to optimize performance around the most modern, lumen-dense LEDs from Nishia and Osram. Optics are produced according to world-class standards. Thermodynamics have been optimized using SolidWorks. The 4Banger is available in 3 industry-leading beam patterns to suit every need. We are globally recognized as the brand to beat when it comes down to aftermarket lighting upgrades. No other brand blends performance, quality, and style like we do. And that's everything you need to know about the A-pillar install for your 14 to 18 Silverado. But it doesn't end there. We have headlights, taillights, and much more for your Silverado. Go to morimotolighting.com, enter your year, make, and model to find out what more we offer for your vehicle.